Step 1. Click on File / Save As / Browse / File Type Excel Macro Enabled Workbook XLSM / Save As. Step 2. Then click on File, Options, Customize Ribbon. Scroll down on the right-hand side and tick the developer box. OK. Step 3. Then click on the Developer tab and then Macro Security, and then tick the bottom box of Enable VBA codes. Not recommended. Potentially dangerous code can run. Step 4. Then save down the file. Then close the file. And then reopen. Step 5. Then go on to Visual Basic. And then Insert / Module. Then paste in the code which is in the description.
Step 1. Look at line 22 and amend to how many pages you want to split the PDF document up into, as it is currently set to split it up into 10 pages each as per the equals 10 part of the line. If you want it to be 5 pages, do equals 5, etc. Step 2. Then amend line 20 so that it looks at the name of the file that it wishes to split it up into, so in this case it is the file of testfile.pdf in the file path of c:\users \anonymous \documents \file \test whitespace file.pdf, and make sure that it says .pdf at the end of the file. Step 3. For line 21, amend it so that it includes the specific file that you wish to split up into chunks, as it should match back to what is in line 20 after the final / where it says testfile.pdf in this example. What it does, the code splits up a PDF file into individual parts and then renames the files so that those individual parts are separated out and automatically saved down. Please note that if you do not have an Adobe license on your computer, then this code will not work.
Thanks for watching. If you wish to reach out to me for personalized work, please use the email of anonymous93220@gmail.com.